All right, let's arm our quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. You bringing C in yet? Both. All right, Dane's on a 3-lap pace. He's not going to best his previous 3-lap pace. Oh no, he don't have a 3-lap pace. Good job. Skyberries is in second place by Drobot Racer in third. All of them on a 3-lap pace. So is Maker FPV. Looks like Maker's dangling from a net somewhere. All right, when you cross, you'll be done. When you cross, you'll be done. We got Skyberries and Drobot Racer, our last 2 pilots up. Here comes Skyberries, Drobot Racer. Both of y'all are done. All right, quads are down. Let's retrieve them. That moves Drobot Racer in the 31st spot and Skyberries in the 33rd spot. We have only filled 37 of our 64 spots so far. 37 of our 64 spots have been filled. A lot of racing to do today and tomorrow.